doing, let's see here, Wifinetic on Hack the Box. Just became available not too long ago. So I don't know how long ago. I'm saying not too long ago, like I know what the hell's going on. I don't. Wifinetic. We'll see it there. I haven't done a Linux box in a while, so we'll see how this goes. Probably gonna mess it up and forget LSTech LA and forget, cat or LSTech LA and opt and stuff like that. I'll probably forget stuff, but we'll see how this goes. All right, let's start off with a Rust scan here as usual, right? Or an mmap scan, whatever you want to use. All right, let's go and grab that IP address real quick. We'll grab that guy. Thank you, Hack the Box. There we are. All right, so we got port 21, 22, and 53 up. We can try to tell that, I guess, it's at 21. See, nope, does not like that at all. And that's it. Huh. Well then. Otherwise, try to tell that to 21. That'll be 23. Let's try FTP into port 21 with anonymous. I told you I haven't done this in a while. And it looks like we got on, so let's try DIR, LSTech LA. Can we do that also? We can, okay. Let's go ahead and get star.star, I guess. mget prompt off. We'll do an mget star.star. Let's see what we get here. Getting quite a few things here, right? Looks like we got a couple binaries, things like that. I wonder if we also want to go ahead and look at UDP ports, depending on what we find inside there, right? But let's go ahead and see what we got over here. We do have that tar file, so let's go ahead and do a tar tac xvf on that backup, like right there. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got quite a few things. So let's go ahead and cd into Etsy. Looks like we got some good stuff in here. We probably exit off here now. So let's see if we can cd back just to make sure. No, we cannot. All right, let's go ahead and exit off here. Looks like we got config, drop bear group, boom, boom, NF tables. Okay, package, password. Go ahead and cat that password. See if we find anything there. Nothing cool. All right, so kind of hoping we just be done with it, like right then and there, and we can see what we were doing with that. I'm going to go with config probably, and NF tables are probably two places I want to go. So let's go ahead and hop over to config. See if we find anything in here. We see firewall network. That looks pretty good to me. I do like network. Firewall is probably actually pretty good too. Let's go ahead and cat network. See if we can. All right. We got loopback interface, globals. Okay, nothing in there. It is wireless, right? It's called Wi-Fi tech. So let's go ahead and cat that wireless like right there. See if we get anything in here. It looks like we get some option keys. So that's good, right? Option key. Wi-Fi net. So it looks like we got their Wi-Fi password, I would think. I'm going to go with that's what that is, like right there. So let's just go ahead and say, hey, let's go ahead and verify Wi-Fi password. Let's echo that into what we think is a pass.txt. That looks pretty good, like right there. All right. Let's go ahead. Oh, let's attack LA. Let's go ahead and do let's go ahead and back out of here. Let's go ahead and grep RWI for password or pass or something like that, right? Nothing there. Password. Okay. Use the password command to set up a new password. That's a profile. There is no root password defined on this device. And then config RPCD. Let's go ahead and cat that. Config RPCD. Option password, $IP root. Okay. Option username root. That's for the config login. Okay, got some good stuff in there, it looks like. Let's go and try to cat some usernames or grep user. All right. Config loosely option firewall. Okay. And then we have user root and profile. Okay. So it looks like we're getting some good stuff in here so far, right? But we do want to find maybe cat that Etsy password again. I'm thinking. So it looks like the only user on this box, well, could be root or net admin, I would think. So most likely net admin, like right there, so we're dealing with Wi-Fi, right? So, let's go ahead and try that net admin with that password that we found, and let's see if we can log in. SSH into net admin at the IP address here, right? Let's see if we can grab the IP address up here somewhere. Wherever it's at, there we go. And let's see if we can't grab that password. Where the hell did I say that password at? Did I just save it in the actual file that was already in? Probably, huh? That was a good idea. So let's go ahead and move from config, pass.txt, period, slash, cd period, slash, LSTAC cat pass.txt. Did I not move it enough? Okay, so let's go ahead and move from Etsy, pass.txt. Oh, did I change it to period, slash, seriously? Is that what I just did? Alright, I got a better idea. Let's go ahead and just grab that password. Since obviously I'm messing around and I messed it all up. Messed everything up. Where's that password at? That I had from before. That's the HTTP. There we go. Let's go ahead and let's grab that guy again. And we'll go ahead and we'll echo that into pass.txt out here. There we go. Looking good now. Looking good. Okay. So let's go ahead and try that password. See if that works. It does. Cool. Let's go. All right. Sudo tech L. Try that password. All right. We do get our user.txt file like right there. All right. lstech la for opt directory. We do have a share in there. Okay. That's right where we grabbed everything from. All right. Let's go ahead and cat scripts SUID lookup maybe. Let's try something like this. See if we got any weird SUID bits in there. Mount user, new group. Doesn't really seem like anything's in here. All right, sudo tech L we had nothing with, right? Okay. Look at the home directory. Wow. All right, got quite a few people on here. I am netadmin. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything that we can mess with netadmin. Let's go ahead and try the capabilities first, then we'll look for writable files. Etsy and also for our group there as netadmin. Trace route Reaver. The fuck is Reaver? GTF opens. Reaver? Is that an actual thing? No. Okay. Reaver. REA. Reaver capabilities. Privesk. How to break WPS pin with Reaver. Latest privilege escalation. Output security. So we have Reaver there, which is kind of strange, I feel like. I feel like that's something we probably could use, right? So Reaver's obviously out of the box now, right? So we should just be able to technically, I would think, because Reaver's used for Wi-Fi hacking, right? Can we just call for it? Reaver. If I spell it right, Reaver. Is that still spelled? That spelled the same. I'm an asshole. Reaver. There we go. Okay, so we can do Reaver. All right, can we look at? All right, cool. So looks like it just wants the interface and then the MAC address. So now we just need to figure out where that interface and MAC address lies, right? I would think that would be in the where we were looking before. Wi-Fi net 1, Wi-Fi net 0. Those was already a passwords for them. Radio 0. Okay, so nothing in here. Okay. Network. We got MAC address like right there. Well, no, that's a IPv6 address. Never mind. Okay. Firewall. Nope, nothing in here. All right. I just got to try to figure out where that would actually be at. Probably like WLAN 0 or something like that. Yeah. WLAN 0. Okay, so WLAN 0 has different interface and everything else. You notice that? Or a different IP address. So WLAN 0 has that with that like right there. WLAN 1 has, well, not 23, okay, so it looks like WLAN 1 we could also mess with, and WLAN 2 has no IP address. So WLAN 0 or 1 it looks like. That's why I want to mess with like right there, I would think. Let's go ahead and look at WLAN 1 then. And we'll go ahead and do that reaver again. Command. Attack guy. That guy, WLAN 1. And I don't know if we need to be, I guess we need to put it in monitor mode, right? Oh, do we need to put it in monitor mode? Or are we just looking at the monitor? We're probably just looking at the monitor mode, huh? Because Mon 0 was on there, right? We'd have to put it into monitor mode. But Mon 0 is already on there, so let's try Mon 0. Mon 0. And then let's go ahead and try a... Hey, thank you very much, Gusta. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and try for that and the MAC address for WLAN 0. So we'll do attack B. We'll throw that MAC address, attack VV, something like that, like right there. All right, let's go. We got the pin for it. So we got a pin, right? So what is real and what is not? Okay. That cracked in 1 second. This is a pretty cool box. This probably took a lot of different stuff going out here. You know what I'm saying? This is a pretty cool box. What poll? Will it take 10 or 20 minutes to root? I'm going to go with 10, dude. Oh, it already ended. Damn, can we run that poll again? That's pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that. You could make polls, Chad. That's pretty cool. All right, now we just got to figure out what user, I guess root, because that would be like our previous. Heyo! I think it took less than 10. We'll actually find out here in 1 second how long it took. It took 12 minutes. 12 minutes to root the box. CD into root. And there's our root.txt. Let's go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and black out my screen like real quick. And then I can go ahead and grab that root.txt and that user.txt and throw it into the file over there. So if you're on YouTube, thanks for watching. If you're on Twitch, we're going to keep it going, okay? We're going to keep this going with the Linux stuff. If I can figure out how the heck my computer works.